Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with a new BlockDAG video, guys. So I know it's been actually a while since I dropped my last video about BlockDAG. Because I did drop quite a few of them actually. So if you haven't watched those, then you should definitely go ahead and watch them, because we dived into multiple different topics regarding BlockDAG in those other videos. The miners, the token, you know, some pre-sale details and all of that, which we will also cover today, because that's what the video is mainly about their $1 million giveaway and about their 50% bonus campaign. So I will tell you about these two, and I will also briefly introduce you to BlockDAG if you haven't watched those previous videos. But really, if you haven't, go ahead, do it. It's easy to find on my channel. All you have to do is go to the search bar on my YouTube channel and search for BlockDAG, obviously, guys. Before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions, obviously. With that being said, we can jump into this video, guys. So, well, let me cover BlockDAG. First of all, let's mention this little, well, not little, this big fact that they have raised $80 million in pre-sale. Well, so that kind of speaks already for what kind of project we are looking at, okay? So guys, they have some dev releases, they have all the blog pages, blog posts, and honestly, if you also want to be, you know, up to date with all those news, then you should definitely go ahead and well, read them. But basically, guys, let me give you a brief introduction what BlockDAG actually is. So BlockDAG, guys, is inspired by Bitcoin and Caspa. Well, they are the world's most advanced layer 1 blockchain, a cutting-edge proof-of-work algorithm that delivers industry-leading speeds, unbeatable security, and high decentralization. Built for the future, BlockDAG can power everyday applications to enterprise-grade DeFi protocols, and with the power to mine from anywhere, BlockDAG makes crypto mining simple for everyone, guys. So again, I did make videos about their keynote, about their technical paper and all of that, guys. Let's mention their partnerships. As you can see, they have partnered up with Borussia, and they have also partnered up with other valuable partners. Then you can also see YouTube reviews that they have and all the coverage that they have from other YouTubers as well, and there is quite a lot of this coverage. So BlockDAG is really being talked about pretty much everywhere. So they are getting the exposure which they definitely deserve. They have huge partnerships, they are powered by multiple big players, guys. So it shows you again the kind of potential that BlockDAG really has. But in today's video, we are focusing on the 50% bonus as well as on this giveaway, fellas. So let me talk about that actually, okay, because this is what I wanted to mention, guys. Well, the 50% bonus campaign, guys, okay? You can see it right here, limited time only, use BDAG 50 for 50% bonus, guys. So this is pretty huge if you think about it. So BlockDAG is thrilled to announce an exclusive opportunity for crypto enthusiasts to elevate their BDAG holdings with a massive 50% bonus, guys. And this limited time promotion celebrates the successful launch of BlockDAG's testnet and the incredible momentum of their pre-sale, which, as I showed you, is absolutely crazy. Over 75 million raised, guys, okay? So by using the special code BDAG50 at checkout, participants can maximize their investment and gain a significant edge, guys, okay? So as BlockDAG continues to refine its platform, this 50% bonus provides early adopters with an unparalleled chance to secure more BDAG coins ahead of the project's next big milestones. However, guys, this offer is limited time. It expires on October 14th, so you still have quite some time, obviously, to do your own research, do your own due diligence, decide whether you want to jump in or no, obviously, as I'm always telling you. But yeah, well, for those eager to position themselves in one of the most promising blockchain projects of the year, well, you have a nice opportunity, right? So you can seize that moment and unlock greater potential by taking advantage of this generous promotion if you guys want. So yeah, that's really good, really nice that they did that. And on top of that, they have this $1 million giveaway, guys, which is very easy to participate. So they are excited to unveil another interesting giveaway, which is $1 million giveaway. They are offering a thrilling chance to win a share of the massive prize pool, with 50 lucky winners set to walk away with $20,000 in BDAG coins, guys. So this giveaway is designed to reward the community for their engagement and participation in the growing ecosystem. So to join the excitement, you simply have to hold a minimum of $100 worth of BDAG and follow BlockDAG on their official social media channels, plus every referral and shared posts earn you extra bonus entries, boosting your chances of securing one of the coveted prize slots. So this is not just a giveaway, it's also an opportunity to become an early supporter of BlockDAG and gain significant rewards in the process, guys. So the campaign runs for 3 months, and the earlier you join, the better your chances of winning big might be, because obviously you can refer people, you can share the post, do all of that. So yeah, if you don't want to miss this, then obviously I will link it down below, so you can go ahead and check it out. That's very cool and very nice to see as well. And as you can see, so far there is only 5,700 entries. Obviously there is still 80 days left, but the requirements, the minimum investment requirement isn't big. So obviously, guys, if you wanted to buy anyway, then you are essentially for free getting a chance to win additional 20k, which in my opinion is pretty valuable, and it's nice to see that they did that, guys. So, well, let's also talk some more facts about BlockDAG before we end the video. So they are offering this limited time 50% bonus, guys. Let's recap the whole video. The 50% bonus allows community members to significantly increase their holdings before the promotion ends on October 14th, as you remember. And then BlockDAG, they have this $1 million giveaway. So that's it. And you just gotta hold $100, guys. So both the 50% bonus and the $1 million giveaway definitely drive community growth and engagement. So it is creating more and more excitement around BlockDAG's ongoing developments and future potential. And I mean, you can just search on the internet what kind of exposure they have, you know, how many people, sites, you know, how many bloggers talk about them. You know, watch videos of other people, read articles from other people, guys. Don't rely just on me. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, look into the technical papers, right? Look into the keynotes, see whether you like this concept or no. You can still download their app, you can download their miner, which I also covered in other video, guys. So that's also a nice and cool way to get started with BlockDAG, to be honest with you. So yeah, go ahead, check that out, guys. I will be linking everything down below. I will actually link my previous videos down below also, so you can easily find them. And we will be wrapping this up right here. I hope that you enjoyed, guys. I have some more videos lined up for you pretty soon, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss them. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.